that you? What are you? Gosh, I'm trying to text here.
I need help.
You need help? You got big feet and a little body again. There. He'll just have to have dangling feet.
You mean her?
Oh, that's a her?
Yeah.
Yes, she will have to have dangling feet.
Here. Ah, the big teeth. Oh. Was that you?
I think it was her. She's scaring me. I don't like that. What is Papa around the corner? Just keep building. I'll tell him not to do it anymore. Oh gosh. Got a text. Okay. That was my cousin Jillian being classically conditioned.